Welcome. In front of me I have Honor 20i, and today we are going to make the small face unlock test of this device. We are going to check how reliable and how fast is the face unlock on this device. So let's lock our phone and let's try to boot it a few times. So as you can see, it works really good. It's not fast, but definitely it is reliable. I think that the face unlock works a little bit slower than the fingerprint sensor on the back of the smartphone, but it's still not that bad. So as you can see, that's how the face unlock test looks on the Honor 20i. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.